Nah, yo, this is OD. Like,
I got Corona, said she don't got him, and Shorty said she alone. I would've gave him all her, but I ain't a donor. Then I seen her the first time, I said I want her. You a bad chick, and she staying Fashion Nova.
Hey guys, it's Naya back with another fire video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Naya Gray. You should subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin', how y'all been? So kind of like a new location, but not really. I'm sitting on my floor because as y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing this. This is a new ring light I bought because my other one, this one that it's on right now, it's fake broken and I'm like making it work. I just like decided to get a new ring light because it was about time. This one is way bigger. It was mad expensive, so it better be worth the price. And I'm gonna tell y'all if it's worth the price because we don't sugarcoat nothing over here. I'm hoping it goes good. I say that about every video. I don't unbox things. I do. Huh? But this looks like it's gonna be mad hard to put together. I might need to put my hair up soon. I hope I don't break a nail. Okay. I'm saying okay, I didn't even open it yet. I'm over here struggling. Let me put on my glasses. Let me put the hair up too, cause no. So we have this, let's open this. This is the tripod, I'm guessing. Whoa, why is there 3 things on here? Like, and I'm guessing this is obviously a ring light. What else would it be? I'm just ready to get this going. Where are the instructions at? So there was this inside of this bag. Sign up to be a product tester. I'm good, love. Thank you. Okay, user manual. Is this the instructions? They give me this. I don't need that. I need the instructions. Okay, so this is definitely like a travel case. I don't know, yo. It's mad cords in here. It's gotta be where you place your phone at. I'm guessing the power source. I don't know what this is. Whoa, where's the instructions? This didn't come with no instructions. Nah, they gotta be playing with me. How do I put it together? I'm not Bob the Builder. What do I do?
Shut the hell up.
Initially, I wasn't gonna make this video detailed. I was just gonna put it together, but they didn't give me no instructions and people want to know how to put this together. I had to search up a video on YouTube and I'm looking at it on how to put this together. We gonna go step by step with this, respectfully. All right, so first of all, one thing I noticed, you can take these pieces out. I think that's why they give you this, so you can put the pieces inside. I could be wrong. These unclick. Oh, y'all just heard a click? No, I'm not breaking it. Should I take my hair out? Y'all say y'all like my hair out better? Oh, okay. Because I spent mad time doing this. Like, let me at least flaunt it a little bit. These unclick. I might as well unclick one. See? And you can just put it back together. Maybe I shouldn't have unclicked it because what? I messed up already. So we're gonna start with the tripod. So the tripod is like this. This nozzle would attach to the ring light. So what you gotta do is flip it upside down. So you take it and you basically just pull it open. Oh, make it looser first, duh. Pull it open and then you keep pulling it open and it basically rotates all the way around. Oh my God, oh, there we go. When you have the ring light, this like bends like all the way. So we're gonna keep it straight because we're about to put the ring light on the tripod. And you're gonna twist this knob to tighten it. I know which one is tightened. Oh, wrong knob. So when it's straight, you're gonna take the top knob, it's 2 knobs. You're gonna take the top knob and tighten it just so it won't move. And now this knob controls, let's see how I can show y'all. Oh, I'm about to hit myself. So this little thing that's right here, that little silver thing, this knob controls like if it points in or out. So we're gonna put it on the tripod. I'm guessing. I can't even lie to y'all, I'm really guessing. Like, oh, hold on. Okay, yeah, so you really want this to go all the way down. You see, that's how you know you gotta untwist and make it looser. So it could go all the way down like that, if y'all know what I mean. You wanna tighten it all the way. Boom. This ring light kinda leaning, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's up and it's stuck. And these little knobs on the side, these control the height. So like if I take one, untwist it, this go mad high. Yeah, so they all control height, I believe. Yeah, see, it gets mad high. All right, change locations just so I can show y'all. We're gonna take this piece, this little piece that it came with. Well, you see right here how you can twist this to make these 2 pieces disconnect. You want some space in between like that. And we're gonna put this piece, we're gonna slide it through here. I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna slide it through like that. And then I'm just going to tighten it. Let's see how to tighten it. Oh, okay, nah, not like that, other way. I'll be a little slow sometimes. There we go. You think I would know righty tighty lefty loosey? I don't. Boom, and now it's on. So like I showed y'all, it came with this. So this is for like your tablet or something big. Everything is gonna attach to here. So your camera is gonna attach to here. If you record on the phone, you know, you're gonna use this one. So this all attached to this little base right here. So since we got the phone, I'm just gonna use the phone one. And this hole is gonna go in here. So I'm gonna put it on the little hole. And I'm just gonna tighten it. Yo, what are you doing? Okay, I guess it's on. Why is it so movable though? Whoa. Respectfully? Oh, so this thing on the side controls how movable it is. I know y'all like, how didn't you know that? Listen, I told you I don't install things, so then it's like that. Period. Right, so let's demonstrate with a phone, shall we? Y'all know which phone this is, okay? So basically, this knob on the back controls how movable this part is. So you just make that tight wherever you want your thing to be. This on the top controls, I think, the height. Yeah, the height, this part. So let's untwist this and see if it fits. No? Okay. This phone is dead huge. I ain't even gonna lie. So once your phone is in there, you're just gonna tighten it back down. And then there, like your phone is not moving. Like, and that's how you do the phone. Same thing for the tablet. If you wanted to do the tablet, you would put this hole right here in the base and do the same thing. So the last step is you have this plug, this little box, and you have this plug. The first thing you're gonna do is this is gonna attach to this. Feel me? Cool. That's out the way. And this is going to attach to this. So that's gonna go in like that. And then we're gonna plug it in. And once you plug it in, you're gonna flip the on switch to the one that shows the plug. You're not gonna flip it to this because this is if you have the battery. So right here, how it's empty, you would have to get batteries for that. What batteries are these? I don't know. But we don't have batteries like that. So once it's on, I'm gonna switch it to the plug one and then it'll turn on. Why not get my reaction? This is my reaction to turn. I'm talking about reaction. Like, let's just turn it on. So I'm gonna turn it on. Hello? Oh. So once you turn it on, this is how you increase the brightness. Whoa. Dang, how bright this get? Wow. Nah, yo. This is OD. Like, y'all see this? I feel like I'm about to like lose my sight. So that's all the way up and then all the way down is just... Wait, what? Oh, this button controls the little, which one you want it in. So you know how they have the different lights? So when you press a button, like this controls like what light you want it in. Let me see if I can show y'all a different way than it being in y'all face. This button controls, or if you want it bright. So when you tap the button, they all control something. But I will keep it at this one. This is OD. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Whoa. I couldn't have it like this, yo. Let me see how it looks if my phone is in here. Oh my God, yo.
He needs some milk.
Yo. Oh nah, yo. You see all my imperfections, respectfully. This is how bright it'll get, and then lower, you feel me? And then if you want it in a different one, you could do that. I don't know what light you call this. Kind of like that orangey light, you know what I mean? So I look crazy. So y'all get it. Y'all get the gist. Dang, my other ring light can't even compare. So that's a ring light. It was called Ivisii, I think. I'm gonna put it in the title. But yeah, that's a ring light. 10 out of 10 for me, respectfully, because this costs mad money. So it better be 10 out of 10. Hopefully y'all was able to follow the tutorial because it should have never been that difficult. It's not difficult, but I just didn't have no instructions. But if y'all like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know what videos y'all want me to make. Y'all not gonna do that, so don't even put that in there. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. I'm out.